Victor Roberto Muller is a Dutch businessman, founder of Spyker Cars, CEO of Spyker N.V, and former chairman and CEO of Saab Automobile AB. Education and early career. Muller studied law at Leiden University. After graduating with an LL.M. degree in 1984, he became a lawyer for the Amsterdam office of law firm Baker & Mackenzie. In 1989, he joined the management team of offshore company Hirama in Leiden. A management buyout made him part owner of salvage and towing company Wijs Muller in Amoden. From 1992 onwards, Muller led several companies, such as Emergo Kroum, which would be launched on the Amsterdam Stock Exchange as McGregor Fashion Group. Spyker Cars. Muller and Martin de Bruijn brought the name to the Dutch car company Spyker Cars in 2000, renewing the Spyker name which had been used surrounding car production in the 1920s. Muller was the CEO of the company until May 16, 2007, when he was succeeded by Michiel Mol. Muller continued to work for the company as chief designer for a period, but returned to the CEO seat later the same year, due to the split-up between Spyker Cars and Spyker F1 while Mol continued as CEO for the latter. Muller was found guilty of sharing insider information in 2007. He sent an email to Bank Theodore Gillissen, requesting they not sell shares used as security for a personal loan. In the email, Muller stated that Spyker would soon release a favorable press release which would increase the value of his shares. Victor Muller was initially fined €96,000. The fine was reduced in May 2012 to €11,400. On the 2nd of December 2014, Spyker N.V was granted a financial restructuring by the Dutch court Midden-Nederland. Spyker needs protection from creditors for its liquidity problems. Victor R. Muller, Spyker founder and chief executive, said over the past few years, Spyker has faced a number of serious difficulties and challenges resulting from, among others, the legacy of the F1 era and the acquisition of Saab Automobile AB. On the 18th of December 2014, Spyker N.V was declared bankrupt by the Dutch court Midden-Nederland. Victor R. Muller, Spyker founder and chief executive, said, in 2000 our objective was to found a global sports car manufacturer, and we did just that. During this time we deployed several challenging activities. These have affected the company, and contributed to our decline. Saab Automobile AB. Muller was also the chairman of the company Swedish Automobile, which was formed after the takeover of Saab Automobile by Spyker Cars. Saab Automobile was declared bankrupt in December 2011. A meeting on Saab's bankruptcy was held at the District Court of Vanesborg on 16 April 2012. In April 2012, the Swedish curators made public that Saab has a debt of over $2 billion after subtracting the value of assets. In March 2011, a Swedish biography of Victor Muller was published, Circus Muller, by journalist Jens B. Nordstrom. In August 2012, Muller stated that Spyker Cars will sue General Motors over Saab's bankruptcy. Muller stated, ever since we were forced to file for Saab Automobile's bankruptcy in December of last year, we have worked relentlessly on the preparation for this lawsuit, which seeks to compensate Spyker and Saab for the massive damages we have incurred as a result of GM's unlawful actions. On the 22nd of June 2013, a district court judge dismissed the case. According to Judge Gershwin A. Drain, General Motors had a contractual right to approve or disapprove the proposed transaction, and the court is going to grant the motion to dismiss the matter. Spyker Cars N.V appealed the ruling. The appeal was heard at the 6th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals in Cincinnati. The court said on Friday, October 24, 2014 that GM did not intentionally interfered with the Dutch company's effort to sell Saab to Zhejiang Yangman Lotus Automobile Co., leading to Saab's bankruptcy. Judge Eugene Seiler said GM's actions were not malicious, and that it had legitimate business concerns about the sale, including who would benefit from Saab's use of its technology. Seiler said that Spyker's claim was fatally flawed. Since May 2013, Muller has been a prime suspect of corporate tax evasion. As of 19 February 2016, Muller will be prosecuted by the Swedish tax authorities.